Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Naples local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distance is one of those significant life events that most people dread. You can take some of the stress out of the process by finding a terrific long distance moving company to help with your relocation to or from Naples, Florida. If you call 3 Movers to schedule an in home assessment, we will gladly provide an estimate of the cost for your move and some helpful hints on how to make the move process go more smoothly. Searching for a great local mover can be intimidating. There are many choices, and it's hard to be sure which companies are even in Naples. Some businesses are hundreds of miles away but posing as local companies. 3 Movers is known in the Naples area as a professional, reliable company that will do an outstanding job with your local move, no matter how big or small. Our representative will come to your home or business to estimate the cost and help schedule a convenient time for the move. We are happy to share the names of other satisfied local customers who have used our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Naples moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.